How to make text shake in Davinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop text into the timeline. With your text selected, go to the inspector and change its properties. Now right-click on your text and select New Compound Clip. Now click on Open FX and search for Camera Shake. Drag and drop Camera Shake effect into the compound clip. Select the compound clip and in the inspector, click on Effects tab. Increase motion scale, speed scale, and motion blur based on your needs. And now we have this text shake effect. If you want the text to have more shakes horizontally, increase pan amplitude. And if you want it to have more shakes vertically, increase tilt amplitude. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.